on iPhone that's running iOS 18. So Apple has introduced a new control center, which we can customize and add different controls to it. But there's currently a connectivity widget that has our Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other controls, which we can't customize at the moment, and they take up a bunch of space. But I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can add the Wi-Fi toggle as a separate control by using our Shortcuts app. And the process is pretty simple, so let's start right away. The first thing that you want to do is to open the Shortcuts application on your iPhone, and I'll do that by swiping all the way to the right side until you open the app library section. From here, I'll just search and open the Shortcuts application. And if you don't see the Shortcuts app on your iPhone, then you've probably deleted it for some reason, and you can get it back by going over to the App Store and reinstall it. We will need the Shortcuts application in order to create and add that Wi-Fi toggle. Once we're in the Shortcuts app, make sure that this Shortcuts section is selected at the bottom left, and then click on All Shortcuts. This is gonna get us to this page, where we will see all of the different shortcuts which we have on our iPhone, and we'll tap on this little plus option at the top right corner, so we can now start creating our control. The first step is to tap on this search actions, and then type Wi-Fi in here. And the action which we're looking for is this set Wi-Fi, so tap on it. This will create an action to turn Wi-Fi on, but we just have to make a small adjustment, and then click on turn right here. Change this to toggle, and we're created our action successfully. The next step is to customize our toggle by adding the name, color, and icon in order for it to look like a Wi-Fi control. I'll tap on this little arrow icon at the top and then rename. You can name this toggle whatever you want, but I'll name this Wi-Fi. One of the last steps that we'll do is to tap on the arrow one more time, then choose icon. Firstly, we want to select a color for our Wi-Fi icon. And I'm going to select a blue color since that's the iOS default throughout the system. But you can select a red, yellow, green, or whatever you want here. And now let's scroll all the way down through these icons, and you want to find a Wi-Fi icon here. It should be somewhere in the connectivity section. Here it is for me, so I'll just click on it. Then tap on done, and done one more time. Now that we've created our Wi-Fi control, all we have to do is to add it to the control center. If you don't know how to do it, just open your control center by swiping from the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on this plus icon, and you should see a little minus icon next to every control. That means that we're in this edit mode. So what you want to do is to tap on this add a control right here, which will open the controls menu where we can see and add a bunch of controls to our control center. But let's use this search bar and then type shortcuts. We need to click on this toggle right here, and then choose. It will open a list of all the shortcuts which we had created in our app. So let's select our Wi-Fi toggle which we had created. And that's about it. You can now resize this toggle to your liking, and put it wherever you want in the lock screen. And when you click on the toggle, it will enable the Wi-Fi connection. And click on it one more time in order to turn it off. That's essentially how you can add a separate Wi-Fi toggle in the control center on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.